Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. We choose the system of parliamentary democracy deliberately. We choose it not only because, to some extent, we had always, though, on those lines previously, but because we thought it was in keeping with our own old traditions, not the old traditions as they were, but adjusted to the new conditions and new surroundings. We choose it also. Let us give credit where credit is due because we approved of its functioning in other countries, more especially the United Kingdom. Para. So, this parliament and the Lok Sabha became to some extent like the British Parliament and the British House of Commons in regard to our rules of procedure and methods of work. Para. Parliamentary democracy demands many virtues. It demands, of course, ability. It demands a certain devotion to work. But it demands also a large measure of cooperation, of self discipline, of restraint. It is obvious that a house like this cannot perform any functions without a spirit of cooperation, without a large measure of restraint and self discipline in each group. Parliamentary democracy is not something which can be created in a country by some magic wand. We know very well that there are not many countries in the world where it functions successfully. I think it may be said without any partiality that it has functioned with a very large measure of success in this country. Why no so much? Because we, the members of this house, are exemplars of wisdom, but I think because of the background in our country and because our people have the spirit of democracy in them. Para, we have to remember what parliamentary democracy means more so in this time of change and ferment than in ordinary times. Even when the old order is good, it has to yield place to a new one, lest one good custom should corrupt the word. Change, there must be change, there has to be, particularly in a country like India, which was more or less changeless for a long time. Changeless not only because the dynamic aspect of the country was limited, restricted, and confined by foreign domination, but also because we had fallen into ruts of our own making in our minds, in our social framework, and the rest. So we had to take our souls out both from the ruts and from the disabilities and restrictions caused by align rule. We had to make rapid changes in order to catch up. Para, but while change is necessary, there is another quality that is also necessary, a measure of continuity. There has always to be a balancing of change and continuity in our democratic way of life.